Hello, welcome to Little Unicorn Learning. Today we'll do some fun activity. Let's learn to draw the lion. Okay, let's begin. Lions are fantastic creatures with many interesting characteristics. Here are 5 fun facts about lions. Number 1. Social cats. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides, which typically consist of related females, their cubs, and a coalition of males. Number 2. Majestic manes. Male lions are known for their impressive manes, which vary in color and size. The darker and fuller the mane, the more likely it is that the lion is healthy and well nourished. The mane also plays a role in attracting females. Number 3. Powerful roars. Lions have one of the loudest roars of any big cat, and their roars can be heard up to 5 miles or 8 kilometers away. Number 4. Territorial guardians. Lions are territorial animals, and they mark their territory with scent markings, scratches, and vocalizations. Territories are essential for ensuring access to food and protecting pride members. Number 5. Matriarchal hunting. While male lions are known for the impressive appearance, it's the lionesses that do most of the hunting. They work together in coordinated efforts to stalk and bring down prey, showcasing excellent teamwork and strategic hunting skills. Fun facts highlight the social dynamics, physical features, and behaviors that make lions such captivating animals in the wild. Have fun learning to draw the lion. That was fun! For more such fun activity, please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!